Hi everyone, welcome to our alignment portfolio table. We have here a few tools that very beautiful toys that we use for alignment. We have a shaft alignment tool, and also we use a ParAlign, which is a very unique device for roll alignment. So any industry that has a continuous manufacturing process, like paper mills, sheet metal, blown film, corrugators, and battery lines, so various industries that we cover for aligning rolls. So if you need any alignment in your rolls, this tool again has 3 rain laser gyroscopes in it. So this tool is very unique. We're the only company that have this technology. So the conventional methods to align rolls are usually with theodolites or theodolites, so that requires a line of sight, or lasers, or any of those technologies require line of sight. However, with this, you don't need a line of sight. And the measurements are very easy to do, very not complicated. So we just put the ParAlign on the roll, any roll surface, and we do a sweep of at least 20 degrees for a few seconds, and the measurement will be taken and saved in the computer. So we can either turn with a roll or slide on the roll. So any of those 2 movements will register. So I'll bring your attention to the computer. So in the computer, we will have different rolls. So you can see here an example. We will have a blue roll that will show the reference roll, and next to it, we will see how this roll G, is misaligned, and we can clearly see the green side is the operator side here, and the red side is the machine side, and we can see it's out vertically by 0.07 millimeters down on the operator side, and on the operator side as well horizontally it's minus 0.4. So in order to do the adjustments for this roll, we need to move the bearing this way towards the right by 0.4 millimeters and up by 0.07 millimeters. And the cool thing is I can give you different references, so I can reference any other roll. Yeah, so again, this technology, super fast. We can measure a huge amount of rolls per day. So we come there, we measure everything. We usually will have a mechanic crew that comes with us, or either subcontracted or mechanic crew that is provided by the customer. And we measure, we give directions to the mechanic crew, and they will make the adjustments and remeasure right away and confirm the alignment of the rolls. So part of our portfolio, again, roll alignment, and I will hand it off to Dave. He will talk to us about the shaft alignment solution.
Hi, I'm Dave Metz. I'm here with Fluke. I'm going to show you the alignment tool we have, and it's our shaft alignment solution. The one I have on display here is the RotAlign. That's our top of the line model. It has a new tablet, and you can see the tablet's yellow for anybody who's seen any of our older tools. The older one was just a black tablet, a little bit bigger and bulkier. There's some more things happening in the newer one, so that's an upcoming tool for sale. But the RotAlign is actually the top of the line model in the shaft alignment world. So Proof Technic has always been the king in laser alignment. We have a single laser system that works for many reasons way better than all the other ones. But it's a very easy tool to learn how to use, an easy tool to get to use for your people. But it's mainly for super precision shaft alignment. Okay, so the tool itself is very easy to use. To measure, you just turn the shafts, and it measures while you're turning, and after you get results, it tells you how to make the corrections. So these corrections are done in thousandths of an inch. We're a very, very accurate shaft alignment tool, probably the best on the market, and we've been the king in the alignment market for many years. So we have the Rotalign Touch here today. There are 2 other models, also OptiLine and Shaft Align. But the one I like to show off here is the RotAlign, because it's the fully optioned alignment tool. It does everything you could ever possibly need for shaft alignment. And again, it's an easy tool to learn how to use, and an easy tool for your people to remember how to use and get through. So thanks for stopping by and seeing our alignment solutions. These are tools to get the job done. We're Fluke reliability, and we're the best in the business. Thanks.